Lo and behold, we have an unnamed bird. Did not get a good enough look at it. And the sun is in my eye, so I cannot identify it properly. Thankfully, this camera is probably going to have worse peripheral vision than I am. So perhaps it might work. We are going to watch this bird until... Oh, where is it going? Where is it going? Where is it going? Where is it going? Where are you going to dive? Are you going to get your dinner? Are you going to murder the living daylights out of some poor unsuspecting victim? I do not know, but as a true journalist, I will wait in order to find out. Behold, the majestic bird is circling over, searching for its next kill. Hungrily, it paces back and forth over the water, and farther and farther and farther away. Failure at every moment. However, persistence shall prevail, and it will get its supper. Mimi, I am communing with nature, witnessing its awesome and horrific power. Stop bothering me. It's cool. I don't mind. This is getting boring. It's just circling. It is circling very far away. We can just barely make it out as it makes its turn. Bright white dots on the horizon.
Babe,
We'll
you
open
might
up.
forget that it's very deep there. You're like, oh.
We will turn it off and keep watch.
Wait, my butt is already wet.
JJ and Mimi out.